Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today I'm going to be doing the second weekly challenge prompt, that word being glamour. Everyone knows that I am the king of glamour and fashion, so really this shouldn't be that hard. Either way, let's get into this drawing. So to start off this piece, I took a very fine liner pen to work out the areas I wouldn't want the lines to bleed out. So my idea for glamour was influenced by the Oscars that just occurred, and I always love seeing some of the people on the red carpet who look really weird, but they think they're being super fashionable. So I decided to have this little blob man walking down the red carpet with his drink spilling everywhere, but he doesn't care because he is the essence of glamour and sophistication. This piece was a lot of fun to make, but I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys enjoy the rest of this, and I will see you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word glamour. I think this turned out pretty good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!